Now we will assign the dunning procedure to our customer and vendor. Then we will check overdue items for customer and vendor payment by FBL5N or by FBL1N. /NBP. Click on start button, double click on our vendor, change our role, BP role, then click change, then click on company code, and customer correspondence, enter dunning procedure. ZTR1. Press enter. Now click on dunning areas and assign our dunning areas 01 ZTR1. Continue. And now click on save button. Now come back, again enter BP and then change here our energy. Click on start button, double click on it, change the BP role to FLNV00. Click on change button, company code, and now correspondence. Click on change, enter our dunning procedure, ZTR1. Then click on dunning areas and add 01 ZTR1. Continue and then click on save button. Come back. Now we will check the overdue items for FPL3N. Enter our /NFPL5N. Enter our customer, and then click on continue button. तो देखो यहाँ पर हमारे 2 ओवरड्यू दिख रहे हैं. Now click on filter. Already we have a new due date symbol. Click on copy, and here add the @AG/Q overdue @ and then click on continue. तो हमारा सिंबल आ जाएगा. DA and DR. Same we will check for FPL1N/NFPL1N. Our supplier. क्लिक ऑन एग्जीक्यूट. तो यहाँ पर भी हमारा एक बिल अवेलेबल है. अगेन चेक कर लेते हैं बैक. और कोई है तो मल्टीपल ऐड करते हैं. then click on continue and execute. देखो टोटल हमारे 3 बिल्स है जिनको डनिंग लेटर जा सकता है. हम और कुछ इनवॉइसेस पोस्ट करते हैं. /NFB 70 25th May 2024. Customer, calculate tax, press enter, enter your revenue account, enter the amount 3000, tax code, and cost center. Then press enter, again press enter. Now click on simulate and then post. Come back.